One of the resources that we use to complement learning management system-based learning is augmented reality. We've developed this t-shirt with a company called Sisanda, and this t-shirt is used in teaching anatomy. And essentially what happens is when you scan the code which is on the t-shirt using an appropriately installed mobile device, you can see already it's giving us a chest model. So how we use this is that learners begin by using the resources which are in the learning management system to learn the basics of the topic. Once they've learned the basics of anatomy, they've learned about the skeletal system, about the respiratory system and other things, they can now use this resource to get an appreciation of where in the chest of certain parts of the respiratory system, for instance, are located. So this resource is used outside of the learning management system. Within the learning management system, there'd be a note which directs learners to use the SeeTee t-shirt to learn specifics about anatomy. So once again, when I scan the t-shirt using a phone or a tablet which has been loaded with the appropriate application, you'll see that a 3D model appears. In this 3D model, you'll notice that there are buttons. When I click on a button, it's going to give me information about that particular organ. So I clicked on the liver. So down here, it's telling me the liver and it's giving me information about the liver. If I click on another part, that is the large intestines, and it's giving me information about the large intestines. It's three-dimensional, so you can rotate, and it will show you your chest from different angles. And as you move the phone closer to the t-shirt, it enlarges, and the further you go, it becomes smaller. So these t-shirts can be developed for pretty much any subject. So when we're talking about mathematics, for instance, we could use a different type of model. It doesn't necessarily have to be a t-shirt. It can be something similar to a merge cube or any kind of coded device which learners can scan over and use in learning. For things such as physics, where you are looking at electricity, for instance, using coded cards, learners are able to put together circuits and then test them by scanning over them with the appropriately loaded device.